Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at the Scottish Inn Suites, Porte, Texas. This place looks very abandoned. It's actually a running hotel. It's a 330A. Ooh. Oh boy. It's one of these things. This jack. Let's go to 3. Donations. There's a state flag of Texas. Lovely. 1. Let's go back up to 3. Okay, you did, right? Actually, a pretty nice elevator. Let's go down to 1. Cheers. Where's the Schindler logo? HT. Yeah, I think it's loud. This is where the wrist jack is. Yeah, no. Panel. That's why the metal's thick inside. It's because that's where the jack is. There goes the elevator. See, look at this. Very weird. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.